Repsol YPF is an international integrated oil and gas company operating in over 30 countries, a leader in Spain and Argentina. It is one of the 10 largest private oil companies in the world and the largest energy company in Latin America in terms of assets, with 35,000 employees in 20 countries. Repsol YPF is building 2 new corporate offices, a campus in Madrid, Spain of 7 buildings for 5,000 employees, and a building in Buenos Aires, Argentina, of 77,000 square meters, designed by César Pelli.
These new buildings have pushed us to deeply review the way we work and how we use space, designing them to cover 3 main objectives. First, be more efficient in operation and maintenance, reducing costs and increasing the value-added services. Second, create an environment that fosters innovation and stimulates cultural change. And third, optimize space management with open areas and new services that enforce collaboration and teamwork.
Such a large and exceptional project requires the setup of a steering committee with all the different areas involved, working in a coordinated way. In IT, we are responsible for the global availability of the services through innovative, secure and scalable technology. IT also acts as the change engine that this new concept of open building requires, adapting the workplace with the new services that will help increase productivity and support mobility and flexibility for users.
Tecnológicamente, la solución se centra en la implantación de una red única de comunicaciones de alta disponibilidad basada en una red IP convergente de voz, vídeo y datos, sobre la cual se apoyan tanto IT como los sistemas de gestión del edificio.
Unified communications is one of the strategic points of the solution, allowing for our employees to use efficiently different systems of communications. Having the same number in the fixed and mobile devices and with the same functionality will increase our productivity dramatically. Also, our wireless system will allow us to move around the buildings, maintaining connectivity and access.
Employees are identified upon entering the office through an intelligent card activated by proximity, granting permission to enter specific areas and IT services, pre-configuring meeting rooms to one's own convenience, and dynamically assigning parking spaces. We are also implementing open environments and collaborative tools to enforce teamwork within the organization, such as voice and video conferencing, application sharing, corporate messages, and telepresence rooms for specific meetings. Finally, and fundamental for Repsol YPF, all the building management systems are based in this unique IP network. This includes CCTV, air conditioning and heating, water, lifts, and the paging system. We are also deploying an RFID system to track and control all the assets within the buildings.
Since the beginning of this project, a close cooperation with Cisco has been instrumental for the success. All areas involved within Cisco, IBSG, the local team, the services group and European experts have been working together with our teams around this concept of Cisco Connected Real Estate. Thanks to that, we've been able to achieve the objective of fostering innovation towards an increase in workforce productivity and reduce costs in operation and maintenance.